In this video, we take a look at the Afrikaans word gang. As a noun, gang can mean a passage, a corridor, or an aisle. Aan die gang bly. Aan die gang bly. This is a saying that means to keep going or keep busy. Aan die gang kom means to get going, to get started, to get underway. Aan die gang hou. Aan die gang hou means to keep it going. Aan die gang help. Aan die gang help means to get it going or to give a start. Aan die gang kry. Aan die gang kry means to get it to start. This can refer to a motor or a device that you get to start working, but it can also be used in the context of, for instance, a classroom where the teacher just wants to get the kids to start working before she or he steps out and talks to you. Aan die gang sit. Aan die gang sit means to set in motion or to start a process. Aan die gang wees. Aan die gang wees means to be in session, in progress, or on the move. Daar is iets aan die gang. When you hear Afrikaans people say, daar is iets aan die gang, you know that something is going on over there. Something's brewing. Then they'll say, daar is iets aan die gang. Wat is aan die gang? Wat is aan die gang? What is going on? Wat is hier aan die gang? What is going on here? Jou eie gang gaan. Jou eie gang gaan. To go your own way. And lastly, gangbaar. Gangbaar means passable.